The mystery of Roopkund Lake. Roopkund Lake is a small glacial lake located high in the Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, at an altitude of about 5,000 meters. The lake is famous for the discovery of hundreds of human skeletons scattered around its shores and beneath its frozen waters. These mysterious remains were first reported by a forest ranger in 1942, which attracted the attention of historians and scientists. Since then, Roopkund Lake has become one of the most fascinating archaeological mysteries in the Himalayan region. Location of Roopkund Lake. Roopkund Lake lies in the Garhwal Himalayas, near the base of the Trishul mountain range in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. The lake is located along a popular trekking route, which connects several high-altitude meadows and mountain passes. During most of the year, the lake remains frozen because of extremely cold temperatures and harsh weather conditions. When the snow melts during summer, many human bones and skulls become visible around the edges of the lake. Discovery of the skeletons. The mystery of Roopkund Lake gained international attention after a forest ranger named H.K. Madwell discovered human skeletons in 1942. At first, authorities believed that the skeletons belonged to soldiers who died during military campaigns in the Himalayan region. Later investigations showed that the bones were much older and belonged to people who lived many centuries earlier. The large number of skeletons found in a single location raised many questions about how these people died. Scientific investigations. Scientists began studying the bones through archaeological research, carbon dating, and forensic analysis to determine their age and origin. Carbon dating tests suggested that many of the skeletons belonged to people who lived around the 9th century. Researchers also examined skull injuries and body positions to understand the cause of death. These investigations helped scientists develop several theories about the mysterious tragedy at Roopkund Lake. The hailstorm theory. One widely accepted theory suggests that the people died during an extremely severe hailstorm in the mountains. Many skulls showed round fractures, which could have been caused by large hailstones falling from the sky. Researchers believe the victims may have been travelers or pilgrims who were caught in the sudden storm. With no shelter available in the open mountains, the people may have died quickly from the impact of heavy hail. Pilgrimage connection. Some historians believe that the victims were part of a religious pilgrimage, traveling through the Himalayan mountains. Roopkund Lake lies along an ancient pilgrimage route associated with the Nanda Devi Raj Jat festival. Pilgrims often travel through difficult mountain paths to reach sacred locations connected with local traditions. This theory suggests that a group of pilgrims may have been trapped in the deadly storm while crossing the high-altitude pass. DNA research findings. Modern DNA studies revealed that the skeletons actually belonged to people from different genetic backgrounds. Some individuals appeared to have South Asian ancestry, while others showed links to regions far outside India. This surprising discovery suggested that the victims might have come from different groups traveling together or visiting the region. The DNA findings added new complexity to the mystery of Roopkund Lake. Archaeological importance. Roopkund Lake provides valuable information for archaeologists studying ancient travel routes and human activity in the Himalayas. The preserved skeletons, clothing fragments, and artifacts offer clues about the lives of people who once crossed these mountains. Researchers continue to examine the site to better understand the historical events that led to the tragedy. The lake is now considered one of the most unusual archaeological sites in India. Tourism and conservation. Roopkund Lake has become a popular trekking destination because of its mysterious history and dramatic Himalayan scenery. However, increased tourism has raised concerns about protecting the fragile environment and archaeological remains at the site. Authorities have introduced restrictions and guidelines to prevent damage to the lake and the surrounding ecosystem. Conservation efforts aim to preserve both the natural beauty and historical significance of Roopkund Lake. Continuing mystery. Even after decades of research, many questions about Roopkund Lake remain unanswered. Scientists are still investigating the exact circumstances that caused so many people to die at the same location. New technologies, such as advanced DNA analysis and climate research, may provide more answers in the future. The mystery of Roopkund Lake continues to fascinate historians, scientists, and travelers from around the world.